grills full of flame grill layers. Meet the new Philly, it's stacked with flavor. Juicy beef and melty cheese.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Chester County until 3:55 p.m. At 3:30 p.m. a tornado-producing storm was located over Nottingham or 3 miles south of Oxford moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Nottingham, Oxford, Lincoln University, Cochranville. This includes the following highways: Route 1 between mile marker 7 and mile marker 9. To repeat, a tornado has been confirmed. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado.
NordVPN. Guard yourself from data snoopers, encrypt your online traffic, and block malicious sites. Get the deal now.